Guys, hello, welcome back to the kitchen with me. Today I'm taking you on a little journey with me, one that I hope works out very well for all of us. Okay, so you guys have, some of you probably have seen the video I just recently shared with the baked snappers that I made. Well, I happen to have two of those snappers left in the fridge, and I don't think fresh fish should freeze for so long. And today is Thursday, so I'm trying to use up some stuff, clean out, make some space. So I thought, tomorrow is Friday. I know I'm not going to cook, and I want something today, and I want something different because I don't like too much takeout food. So guys, I have had these two snapper in the freezer, and I have a pound of shrimp that I've to peel and devein. They have been soaking in some salt water for maybe 5 minutes now. And so what I'm going to do with the snapper, I'm actually going to cut them. I'm not going to leave them whole like the last time. Like I said, we're going on a journey. And my grandmother always tell me, when I was little, that's who got me into loving cooking so much. She always tell me a woman should be able to go in the kitchen and find anything and put it together and make a wonderful meal. Now I know modern day time, women don't necessarily believe or feel that way, and if you don't, I understand. I don't want to hear no comment about it. You do you, and I'm doing mine. I believe that for me and my family, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm going in the kitchen, and I'm using what I have, and I'm going to turn me on and make fashion just like the Jamaican grandmother say. Oh, this knife needs to be sharpened. Okay, so I've already cleaned and removed all the gills and fins and tails and everything extra from the fish. Alright guys, just a minute. We're going to move on to the next process. Just a minute. Okay guys, let's go ahead and season this up. And yes, I'm actually going to season it all up together. Here is salt. I'm going to use a pinch of salt. Garlic powder. Why do I always open that big pot? I'm smoked paprika. I'm gonna say about a teaspoon of all these seasonings, okay guys? But you know us home cooks, especially from the islands, we just season till our hearts feel like it's time to stop. That's black pepper. This is Old Bay. I swear, every time I use it, I don't understand. The Old Bay, I use a little bit more of it than the rest of the seasonings because it's a seafood seasoning. Seasoning salt. And lastly, some Creole seasoning. For the Creole seasoning, guys, if you have adobo, because I know a lot of people like adobo, that's fine. I have both because I'm a freak like that when it comes to seasoning. A little bit of allspice. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I was trying to hold that. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric. I will add more in the pot later, but I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric to this. And because of that, I do not want to stain. I don't mind getting in there, but the turmeric, like curry powder, is going to stain my fingers, and I can't have that. I already can't grow my nails because I'm always in the kitchen cooking or cleaning. So my doggone nails won't grow. So no Okay guys, we're gonna move over to the pot that we're gonna use, and then I'm gonna show you some other ingredients, okay? Oh, I guess I didn't pause. I'm so sorry guys, but here's the pot that I'm gonna use. I'm heating up right now. Over here, I have a little less than a cup of this. Is I also find in the fridge pumpkin. I kind of blanch them, you know, cook them a little bit because they're not as soft as the rest, not as easy as the rest of the ingredients. So I kind of blanch them a little bit. Now on this plate, I have potatoes and carrots. Here I have an onion slice. I have about 3 cloves of garlic that I sliced up. I have tomatoes, red and yellow bell pepper, whatever color you have is fine. I have some thyme and I have fresh scotch bonnet, and I have some lemon slices. Now I'm waiting for this pot to be ready, and then we'll move on. Okay guys, so it's ready, and I added a little bit of oil to the pot, a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm gonna start off with my onions and garlic, of course, and the scotch bonnet. I'm gonna need you to not splash me, okay? I'm gonna strain the no, I want some of the water. I'm gonna use that same water. These are the thyme and the bell peppers and the tomatoes. Not you guys. No, you guys not ready yet. I need a little flour to help with thickening. Let's make it buttery, guys. A whole stick of butter. I'm putting the pumpkin in. I'm trying to smash the pumpkin. It's going to help with the color. That's why I cooked them before this. Okay guys, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of the water from the cooked pumpkin. I'm going to add the coconut milk. Let's season this up just a little bit. I don't think shrimp and the fish is enough to season this up. This is some garlic powder. Old Bay. I want to bring this to a boil. Creole. Seasoning salt. Just a pinch of these. And black pepper if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Black pepper. Now that this coming to a boil, guys, I'm gonna add the fish. Let's cover this and cook for about 15 minutes. See you back here soon. So guys, I say I'll be back in 15, I lied, it's 10 minutes. And I came back because I want to add the carrots in. When it comes to making stews and using potatoes, I do not like my potatoes to cook to mashed potato consistency. I like them to cook but be still a little bit firm, you know. So I'm actually going to wait until I put the shrimp in to put the potatoes in, but the carrots I'll put in right now. Weird, I know. So let the carrots cook an additional 5 minutes before the oh, and let's flip these before the 5 minutes before the shrimp and potatoes go in. And I think I need to add just a little bit more liquid in there, so I'm gonna add some more of the water from the pumpkin. Guys, as I'm cooking this, I have, like I said, this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. But I have so much ideas in my head right now. If this was a planned meal, what I could do with these, but now that I know, it's coming up soon. Okay, guys. So let's give those carrots 5 minutes, and then we come back to add the shrimp and the potatoes. 5 minutes is up. I'm going to add the potatoes in first. Well, guys, I was thinking if you're unable to find pumpkins, you could probably try using the sweet potato. It would give it that rich color also. But I think sweet potato would be very good for this exact recipe right here. Okay. These shrimp only need like 8-10 minutes to cook, so they're not tough. Same thing with the potatoes, so again they don't turn into mashed potatoes. And you don't even have to add, you don't even have to add the shrimp in this. This can just be the fish. Okay. See you back in about 10 minutes, guys. Guys, it has been, sure it's been a little more than 10 minutes. I got distracted. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so I'm gonna give these potatoes another 5 minutes, okay? And I want to make this a little thicker, so I'm gonna mix up some flour slurry. Instead of cornstarch slurry, I'm using flour. I'm gonna make a little bit more slurry, make it a little thicker. Okay. I think it's safe to say we are done. I'm gonna taste this. Ooh, Jesus, that just looks good. Oh Lord, the spice, but the flavor, Father. My husband's gonna say this is one of them I can bathe in. He like to talk about bathing in my sauce or my gravy. He gonna say I can bathe in that there. Oh my Lord, that thing is good. Oh, I'm so disappointed that right now, because of COVID, you can't leave any comments on my things, because they what you call them, YouTube have disabled comments because of COVID, and all videos are supposed to be kid friendly. So that one of the things is they've disconnected comments right now on people's videos. Us small people anyway. Who y'all? I just had a piece of that fish when I said, girl, you done did it again. I mean, I done did it again. Honestly, y'all, I have never made this before. I just thought about it in my head using everything I had in the fridge. Say, I gotta do something. Because I'm hungry. I know I won't be cooking tomorrow because it's Friday. So I'm like, I need something healthy to eat today. I need a home cooked meal. And then I can have lunch for tomorrow. So perfect. So lovelies, I want to thank you all so much for watching, supporting me. Please don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I need all the support I can get. I appreciate it. 150. From my kitchen to yours, I want to say God bless you. I know the world seems a bit crazy and upside down right now. But I believe with every fiber of my being, this is only happening to bring about great change. Change is coming. So let's stay the course, y'all. Let's stay positive and strong and not let the times get the best of us, okay? Leaning on our Heavenly Father, and we got this, all right? So thank you for watching. God bless. And you guys, don't forget, COVID-19 is still out there. Stay safe and healthy, please. Love y'all. Bye.